What it do, y'all?
Hey, guys.
We are Embrace the Suck 21.
Yes, we are.
My name's Spencer.
And I'm Danny.
We are members of the great state of Maryland.
Yes, we are.
Members, residents of the great state of Maryland. We have been sent a great little package from our friends at Route 1 Apparel.
What?
Yes.
All right. Let me go ahead and open it.
Yes.
Let's see.
He's got the knife because you can't trust me with knives.
No.
Unless I'm in the kitchen.
There you go. And everyone knows Maryland is a state that prides itself on putting its colors on everything.
Oh, yeah. There's a Facebook group called Maryland is a Cult, Not a State. And just proves everything right there.
All right, here we go. Let's see. Super cool.
All right.
All right. What do we got?
Got a note. Hey guys, Happy New Year. Hope you enjoy all these products. Please reach out if you ever need anything Maryland. You can share this code to give viewers 15% off. Link in the description.
Yes.
That's from Tori at Marketing. Thank you for that.
Thank you, Tori, and thank you, Route 1 Apparel. Here you go, good sir.
Thank you.
All right.
Let's just open it up and see what's inside.
Let's see what's inside. This is super cool.
Show the camera here.
It's
without the glare.
Let's see. Oh man,
Chesapeake Arts, Sailing, Beach, Lacrosse, Harbor, Under Armour, Jousting.
Jousting?
Yay!
Oh my God.
Make a statement. Preakness, Black Eyed Susan, Ocean City, Domino, Ripken, Burger, Oyster. All those are on here. Let's just open the box up and see what's inside.
Right, let's go.
First off, we've got some sunglasses.
What?
With the Maryland flag on it.
I'm rocking these guys.
All right, going into 2023
like. What? I can't see you past my Maryland shades. I like that.
Block out all the haters.
And the traffic.
And the traffic.
All right. Well.
We got keychain.
Pretty sweet.
It's kind of.
I like that. I like that.
Very
it is
nice.
Definitely Maryland pattern. Everything here is gonna have Maryland pattern.
Yeah, that's the whole point of it.
That's the whole point of it. Good.
There's some stickers in here.
Yep, I got some stickers too.
There we go, just like that.
All right, well I'm rocking this. Route 1 Apparel. What?
And some nice flannel.
Oh.
I am a big fan of the flannels.
And I am
here.
a big
Look
fan.
at that! Look at that! The pocket's got the Maryland flag on it. Look at that! Look at that!
I like that.
This is great.
I like that.
All right.
My God, I am doing everything in this box.
Got this one too. I have one too. The Route 1 Apparel.
Nice. I like that. I really enjoyed that. That is sweet. Well, I am a fan of this Maryland build hat. Oh, well, wait a minute. That's right. I am the hat guy.
Yeah. And I guess with this, I might become the hat guy.
Woo! I gotta put a little bend in it, guys.
I'm gonna put my hair down for that.
I got
Look
to.
at that.
I like that.
Look at that.
Very nice.
We tip our hats to you, Route 1 Apparel.
Oh, it does have a little embossed Route 1. I like that.
Yeah.
We got an awesome looking snapback.
Free state of mind.
All right. My God. Well, I needed hats.
Yeah.
So
I needed some too. Look at me. I'm like a trucker right now.
There you go.
Yeah. Breaker 19.
Ooh, I like this.
Get me out this Baltimore traffic. 10-4.
Shoot. I like that, man. Come on, son.
Yes.
I like this. Man, I am going to wear the shit out of all these.
Yes, I believe I will too.
Yes.
Not believe, I will.
Yeah,
Come on
you
now.
have to.
There's no question about it.
Oh my God.
Oh,
well,
right.
I like that. Well, guys.
Well, there you have it, y'all.
There you go.
This is our unboxing of our Route 1 Apparel.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Route 1 Apparel, for all the great swag, and be sure to use promo code EmbraceTheSuck21 at checkout to get 15% off of your order. Link in the description. And
Definitely, guys.
As always, y'all, wash your hands, scrub your toes, wipe your ass, blow your nose, embrace the suck,
Unplug and do something epic.
and live in a free state of mind.
There you go.
Later, y'all.
Later.